bracket. We jump in this first round, well, it's a preliminary round of the losers bracket. We jump.
张家燕还在飞，张家燕还在飞，张家燕你慢一点，稳稳飞，稳稳飞，继续。
We jump up and down when it comes to this winners bracket, losers bracket to try and avoid the back-to-back situations, which we are going to experience here with the.
现在整个场上只有你一个人了，你飞那么快干嘛？
That whole shot situation from a while ago. And this one is a pretty anticlimactic one, not the worst though. One more lap to go here for W bag. There's too much shit going on here. Oh, what happened?
场上唯一一名完成比赛的是中国选手张家燕。
Well, hold on. W bag is under review. W bag is under review.
稍等一下，他还能裁判正在查视频，不知道是什么问题。
So we have to review this entire race. Up next is heat number 7. They can start getting ready. Oh, this was 6. Now we're going to go back to 4. But don't plug in because we're doing a DVR review because we have to figure out 4th, Timmy, please. We have to figure out 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st on this, okay? Mooney FPV is out. There's 4th. We're doing a DVR review on the fly. Now we're watching. Now we just lost.